Welcome back, and this is part 3 of our gal movement. Yay! Let's get wild. Let's be sexy. Early 2000s to present. All right. Tokyo Shibuya, 2002. Most folks figured that out of the bonkers, I will say, I'll stick to the script. Okay. Most folks figured that after the bonkers blackface look adopted by the Gonguro died out in 2001, the girls in Shibuya were due to come back to their senses at any moment. But no. I keep seeing what looks like an ordinary girl, but they're all really dirty, the managing editor of a community newspaper told the Japanese culture magazine Shukan Taishu. I don't know whether it's because they haven't gone home or simply haven't had a wash. One of them was sitting on the side of the road with her undies in full view. We're gonna cut some of this out. She just sat there staring into thin air like a zombie. Having blown whatever money they had on clubbing, karaoke, stuffed animals, and print club stickers, some girls decided simply to skip out on going home to mom and dad. They took to living on the city streets with their fellow stinky friends, dismissing basic hygiene as a total drag. As time and resources were spent in the relentless pursuit of pleasure, the girls became dropouts, not just from school, but also from the rest of society to boot. What the hell were they thinking? These fallen angels dubbed themselves Ogals. The O derived from the Japanese character for unclean, but adding an O to a Japanese word can also give it a double meaning, making it honorific or cute. Ogals believed they were being both dirty and adorable. Even a few outside of their permanent funk ever wanted to give them a hug. Still, the Ogals' commitment to being out all the time, no matter what, acted as a kind of natural fertilizer for a new tribe of party girls dedicated to social circles and long Shibuya nights. Mamba, the term reclaimed from the Yamamba epithet of the Gonguro, shared their black-faced sisters' fondness for tan skin and bright sexy clothes, but there were key differences. The Mamba like sandals better than platform boots, which can be dangerous and hard to walk in. Also, they don't get their skin tan artificially so much since there's a risk of skin cancer. Instead, they only wear dark colored foundation. Mamba favorite hair extensions dyed bright pink and were crazy about super cute character goods like Hello Kitty, and slippers, purses, etc. They'd accessorize their faces with stickers of stars, rainbows, and smiley faces. If in some ways Mamba were Yamamba, turned down a few notches, they cranked the volume to ear-splitting levels in their obsession with para music, dancing to trance and Eurobeat music. One para fanatic, who typically practices with friends for 3 to 4 hours in the street before hitting the clubs, explained the appeal to the Shibuya Keizai, a newspaper that tracks economic news and trends in the area. Group choreography of para makes us feel more unified as friends. In 2003, the guys who hovered around the clubs felt left out. They began to imitate the Mamba style, the lipstick, tan skin, multicolored hair extensions, decals on their faces, and accessorize within an inch of their lives. They earned the label Center Guy, or a male Mamba. And also, apparently it is a play on words for this Shibuya Center street called Center Guy. So you have the guys and Center Guy who are now called Center Guy. Some of the men were saying that being a man, there's not a lot of cool fashion, that they wish they were a woman instead because they could dress up and put on makeup and everything, and being a center guy was the ability to be able to connect with the women that they might have been interested, but also to be able to have that creative aspect for their self-expression. Egg eventually began publishing Men's Egg, which catered to men's fashion and trends, then leaving them out. Also, with the start of the Gyaru circles, men weren't necessarily allowed to join. It was girls only, and later on guys would have their own groups and everything, but they wanted to have their girls groups. They could tag along, but they could not have membership within those circles. That's what it says right here, or reads technically. Page 79. Angelique, the biggest gal circle of all, and still active today, at least at the time of this publication, was originally created by and for Mamba in 2001. Mamba's roots in Gonguro note their shared love of tan skin as well as the imperfect lungfish-like evolutionary progress of one style mutating into another are evident in the circle's official rules laid out for prospective members. So if you were not able to keep up with these rules, you were not considered for their circle. It was an organized group. They had rules, they had structure. Some people I see are more concerned with like, oh my gosh, there's rules, I can't do this, instead of life has rules. When you go to school, there are rules there. When you go to a library, there are rules there. When you work at a job, there are rules there. So for Angelique, first rule is you must go to a tanning salon 4 times a week. 2, you must be a devilish strong and gone for Gonguro gal. 3, you must be totally black, so black you cannot be seen in a nightclub. 4, you must love only Angelique. 5, you must be polite. 6, you must not have a smelly down there. 7, you must be easygoing and make a fun atmosphere. Save the drama for your mama, bring the good vibes only. 8, you must be a person who has sake or a drink in your right hand. 9, you must be able to dance pada pada. 10, you must look like a gorilla. And 11, we also welcome people with bodies like pro wrestlers. So they were quite inclusive in their group. So instead of just, oh, you're not pale or whatever, get out of here, or oh, you're not skinny, we want nothing to do with you, but they accepted people of a variety of body types, which is so inspirational. On page 80, there are different types of styles that they make mention of. Cute, like retro clothes right here, and those cute little socks. Psychedelic inspired gal circles or clothes. Salimba, brand obsessed girls who were like brand obsessed but also Manba, Banba, and Salimba, like celebrity Manbas, if you will, celebrity Banbas. Kokomba, Kokolulu Mambas, Romamba, romantic Lolita Manbas, Banbas, who are like Barbie inspired, so super cute. And this is their fashion profile here. I got that iconic Alberosa coat, some cute colorful clothes, some easy to walk in slippers, a little mat so you can sit on so you don't get your booty dirty while you sit on the street and touch up your makeup. Here's all their makeup, heavy eyeliner, panda make, no stripes and everything, and contacts. And for their ideal boyfriend, it will be a center guy. And this part is cute, like hopefully he's interested in pada pada and sharing some of his hair products. Their must-have items: Alberosa coat, which is so iconic with this fashion style, hair extensions, colorful hair, contacts, lots of stickers to decorate your face and stuff, usually about here. So you have your white makeup, maybe some white makeup here, your nose stripe, white lips, and some cute little stickers and stuff. A bag that's gonna hold all of your go-to things, makeup, maybe a hair curler or something, maybe even a change of clothes and all of that, because you're gonna be out all night. If you're showering, great, fantastic, but this is like your overnight bag that you're just carrying around with. This bag is gonna be your everything bag with all of your necessities. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. So bonus, this part does have a makeup tutorial, very simple. Of course, you can customize it to your face. Do you want the white all the way down here? Do you just want it like on your aerosol? Do you want it more like almost like a butterfly effect, or none at all on the cheeks? Which eyeshadow do you want to use? What type of gems or lashes, eyeshadows and stuff? So pretty cool. See you in the next one.